shy. Yo.
Everything doesn't go in the dryer, but laundry day. Okay, pants. Okay. Of course, a clip hanger, or when you're hanging them to dry, hang them one leg, hang them by the crotch. Hang them by the crotch, okay? There you go. It not only gives it room for it to like air out quicker, it looks nice. And you can also hang these in your closet this way. I feel like hanging it this way actually dries it faster. I've never really put it to the test, but I just was like, oh, well, instead of hanging them this way with everything touching, kind of, sort of, you can just hang them by the crotch. Hang it by the crotch. Which way do you think is more effective? This way or the hangover method? Test it out and see. Let me know. Okay, so you guys ever wonder what? Sorry, I'm hanging my clothes. Everything doesn't go in the dryer, but that's another video for another day. So you ever wonder what these little hooks on the hangers were for? It's to hang your clothes so that they fall the right way, so that they're not like that wrinkled. Like, say for instance, if this skirt was silk, and which is linen, it'll dry with wrinkles in it, of course, because it just got washed, but it'll dry with less wrinkles versus, you know, it being in a dryer, in a sense of, you know, what am I even trying to say? But it'll dry better. You would steam it or iron it versus putting it in a dryer and it'll shrink. When you put it in a dryer, it'll shrink and it's not gonna fit the same. Versus, and on top of that, it depends on what kind of detergent you use, because detergent can also shrink your clothes. I use Arm & Hammer, and that's pretty solid. So with this skirt being linen, let me check just for verification. Just and also you gotta read the care tags. I was supposed to cut this out. Yes, this is linen. Linen and viscose. 70% viscose, 30% linen. But yeah, so you hang it up. Especially if you have a two-piece. This is how it's hung. Voila! Just like that. And you put it in your closet. Boop. There we go. And these little hooks in the inside are so that it doesn't fall off the hanger. You just learned something new, didn't you? Well, I hope you did. So this is it. It's wet. I wouldn't advise to hang them together, but just so you know.